Yo, what's up? So I haven't made one of these videos in a while, but I want to make a video where I talk about how important it is to learn how to attract women and really just honestly wake you up to realize that this whole don't chase women fad that's going on in men's self-development is the dumbest thing that you could ever subscribe to. And I'm not saying that because I'm a dating coach. I actually don't care. If you don't believe me, it's fine. But I've seen firsthand what happens when you don't chase women. And what happens is you become lonely with no skills to be able to attract the type of people you want into your life, no skills to be able to attract the type of women that you want in your life. What ends up happening is you end up meeting one woman that just chews you up and spits you out, and you're fucked. So if you don't believe me, look at guys like Will Smith or like Jeff Bezos, right? Like Bill Gates. These guys are getting left en masse, and they have money, they have status. It is clearly not all about money and status. The thing that matters when it comes to attracting women and not getting used, not getting taken advantage of, and being on top of the masculine frame, holding a frame in a relationship, is not any of those things. It's not money or status. That might get you women in the first place, but what you have to understand is that the thing that attracts and keeps women around for the long run is pure masculinity. And you need to understand that these attractive masculine principles are something that you must master. And they're not something that you get by building an e-com store or by learning how to make money online or learning how to network with high net worth individuals. Like, that's not how you learn how to date. How you learn how to date so you don't get taken advantage of in the sexual marketplace is by going out, talking to women, and learning from your experience. There's like a little squirrel up there. Look at that guy. That's so funny. There's two. That's fucking wild. So what you do is you need to go out there and get experience with real women. You need to go out and talk to women. You need to learn from someone that knows what they're talking about and figure it out for yourself. You need to learn how to not be used by women. You need to learn how to be a stoic figure in a relationship. That's how you actually avoid getting taken advantage of in relationships, okay? So if you focus on money and status and looks, you're just gonna end up like Jeff Bezos, losing half your net worth. The woman that divorces you, the richest woman on the planet, just because she divorced you, loses half his net worth because he doesn't know how to keep a woman around, because he doesn't know how to attract women, because he doesn't know how to make long-term decisions for himself that is better for the relationship as a whole. And you have to understand this. There's so many high status, high net worth men that get left because they don't know how to hold a masculine frame. They don't know how to keep her attracted. They don't know how to get her wet between the legs. And that's what you have to do. So you need to learn this stuff. And I want to wake you up to that today, because there's not only are there so many examples, but I guarantee there are examples of you in your own life where you have made bad decisions for your own personal growth because of a woman, right? You've either gotten distracted from your business because you're lonely. You've paid for porn when you could have invested into yourself. You've paid for a prostitute or an escort when you could have invested in yourself. You've wasted money, time, and energy on women that weren't interested in you in the first place because you were so lonely and desperate to try to get a girl that didn't even like you, kept you in the friend zone, that kept leading you on. I know all of you have done this because I've done it in the past too. So I want to wake you the fuck up. Like, seriously, wake up. Think about this. If you don't have this part of your life handled, doesn't matter how much money you make, doesn't matter how good looking you are, doesn't matter how much status you have, women are going to use you, chew you up, and spit you out. Because it's not their fault. Like, women genuinely are not malicious. They're going to get what they can from a relationship, and then if they don't like you, they don't like you anymore, and they're going to leave. If they like your money at first, if they like all these things about you at first, they like your good looks, they like your abs, they like your status, they like how much people know you when you go out, but you don't know how to make them wet in bed, you don't know how to actually attract them, you don't know how to pass their shit tests, you don't know how to do anything to hold a masculine frame, and they finally meet a guy that has all the things you have, except he's actually cool, he knows how to have fun, he knows how to hold a masculine frame, knows how to pass a shit test. When they meet that guy, they're gone. And it's not their fault. It's how they're hardwired. Okay? So I don't want you guys getting butthurt or bitter towards women. Just understand that it is on you, especially as dating gets more cutthroat in 2022 and going on to 2023. Like, by the way, fucking crazy. We're almost in 2023 and you still haven't figured out your dating life. Like, come on, man. Wake up, right? I'm not just selling you this because I have a course in the description, which I do, right? I'm not just telling you this because of that. I'm not telling you this because I want you to sign up for my coaching, which I do. I'm telling you this because I want your life to be different. If you can go out and figure out how to date women and talk to women and improve your skills with women, if you can do that on your own, feel free. And I'm actually really happy for you, but I couldn't do that. I had to swallow my pride and I had to pay thousands of dollars to a coach. And that's fine. Do whatever you got to do, but don't do this thing where you go around saying, I'm not focused on dating. My dating life is, it's not a priority right now. It's like, yeah, dude, your dating life is never a priority until a girl chews you up and spits you out and fucking eats your heart out, okay? And she ruins your life because you make a bunch of bad decisions. You start driving 3 hours to see some girl that doesn't even like you that much in the first place. You drive 3 hours there, 3 hours back every other weekend. You're losing 6 hours every 2 weeks because you can't actually get women close to you. Why are you doing that? It's because you don't have options. And so you need options. This is more of a wake-up call, more of a mindset video. No specific principles here. Just like wake the fuck up and realize that like not chasing women is fucking stupid. And you need to chase women for a little bit. Get good with women. It's like a core masculine principle. It's a core trait that you have to have as a man. Do it. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Comment below. Let me know what you want to see from me in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one.